squint and get those tip ends. And sometimes you go vertical, straight up and down like that. And that helps get them. Especially over here in the crease. It's kind of hard to get them. Or not the crease, the corner. Yeah, I feel like I need another pass on my right eye, y'all. For some reason, it just didn't, you know? It didn't take to getting all the gooky. Oh, mascara. I am not the channel for you if you want, like, a really professional experience. But hey, we have a good time here. Alright, that's much better. That's almost going to be too gooky. Let me see if I can get that back off now. Of course, it had to hit my eyelid. I'm not having a good mascara day. But this is the thing about when you wear heavier mascara, it's you got to work with it a little more. Usually. There's been some times where I just, you know, did it and it looked amazing and I walked out the door and looked amazing all day as far as mascaras. Yep, that got too goofy. So this is when you go really slow and use those little combs to comb through any on the excess. And I think all it's doing is adding more. So I'm going to end up using a comb that does not have anything on it instead of this one because I'm getting too much now. And the reason is because I'm taking too long and it's drying. So that's why you do want to, if you're going to get a second pass, you got to kind of go a little faster to get it on there real good. See how those gooped up? Let me just see if I have a item I could use. Here's the bad thing. I don't think I have one in here. I don't. I've moved my brushes around so much, y'all, that, yeah, there's an issue. But what I could do is use this old from, what am I trying to say? What's their name? Chanel. Y'all do that now. And see if I can rake it off with this one because it doesn't have much on it. You know what? It's just making more. Oh my gosh, it is. Same, both sides. I just got to even them up though. Because if it's more, you got to make them both sides more. Actually, I think that looks, I'm going to leave it at that. I feel like that is at least, they're the same. So today will be a heavy mascara day. Y'all ever do that? So, am I done? You know, I feel like I couldn't be more done. I'm actually going to blend that out a little bit. That's too much of a line. And same here. Just a little pass. And it's done. So that is my makeup for the day. And I don't remember the last time I did this much makeup, y'all. And I need to go get my little towel because I'm using a tissue. And here's the bad thing, because you always got to clean off your eyelash curler because you don't ever want to leave any kind of residue on your eyelash curler. But that includes the residue from the tissue. It leaves little fuzzes. Actually, didn't leave that many that bad, but I still need to go find my actual towel because it won't, believe it or not, my makeup towel does not leave behind as much fiber as a Kleenex will. So I do need to go clean that. Matter of fact, I may just go get one of the best ways to clean this is your Neutrogena makeup wipes. Just take this for when I'm getting ready for bed tonight. And I'm going to be taking my makeup off, and while I'm at it, wipe this down. Because that is the best way to get all the makeup off that. And then it dries overnight. You can wipe it with a damp cloth to get any of the makeup remover off. That's one thing you got to remember about makeup remover. You don't leave it on your skin. It gets all your makeup off, but it's also leaving kind of a residue of the makeup remover itself. So you have to always remember, after you use it, then you still need to cleanse your face. Even if it's just a hot washcloth, and I think that's one of the best things that you can do. How many minutes are we at? I think we ran over again. So this is probably, I'm thinking, part 3-ish. So I'll just keep going. So I'm just going to blend this down a little bit with this. I do love this brush, y'all. This is, now this is from the Extravaganza collection, which means this is real gold. Plated. I mean, it's plated, but it's real gold. That's not just gold metal. That's actual, I think it says 18 karat gold. And it was only offered for a short period of time, and I bought the whole set that you could get. Actually, I changed that. At the time, I bought the ones I used the most, and of course, this would be one of them. I don't think they have any more Extravaganza left, and I'm not sure why, because it's really pretty to have black and gold. Then they went to kind of a rose gold feeling, so they called it black and copper. And that's like these. Can you tell the difference? This got a little more pink in the gold. But it's not real gold. This is actually real gold. So, and they weren't that much more. Some of you are going like, really? But here's the thing. I will always invest in Sigma Beauty. I'm still not an affiliate, and I should be after all these years. I've done nothing but promote how great their brushes are, because they are. This is an original